Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application and tap on the left upper corner to this icon, and as you see we are just logged in into two accounts at the same time, and I will just show you how to remove one from this account and how you can log out from the one from the accounts. And now just tap here to the manage accounts on this device. Here tap on the Google, and as you can see we got here these two accounts, and for example we want to log out from the second one, so just tap here on this account and tap on the more icon, and now just here to remove account tap on the remove and confirm if you want to delete or remove your account, tap to remove the account. And now as you can see we just stay only with the one account, and now we'll go back to the application and check. As can you see we stay really only with one account and we'll log out from the second one. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.